with Kids. Today, I have my dad again.
How you doing?
Last week we made some smoothies together.
Smoothies were yummy.
Yep. And I thought today we could show you guys how to make some chickpea crisps. A little bit of a mouthful there. But the other day we were talking to Mom and we're like, how do you make these? Because they are so good. They're so delicious, flavorful, and you can make them spicy or not spicy if you like. So, do you want to tell us what we need for it?
So there's different ingredients that you're going to use. The first one, we have some organic extra virgin olive oil. Here we have some salt. We have some black pepper. Don't use too much black pepper. We have some paprika, and we have some mango powder. Now you're going to need a couple spoons so that you can mix it in, measure it, and stir it. And then, of course, the main ingredient, the main show, chickpeas.
And then we also have a
parchment paper
and a nice little tray. And we're just going to be baking this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in our toaster oven. And I'm going to put all of the measurements for the ingredients in the description. You can also add some red pepper if you like, because if you want to make it spicy or not spicy.
Maybe some cayenne pepper, so it's spicy.
Now, like he said, we're also going to be using some mango powder, and this is called amchur in Hindi, and it's really good. It's really good in different dishes. I think that's too small for them to see, but
okay.
I thought I'd just mention that. You guys can know the Hindi name. But we're going to mix everything together. I do have a class super soon, so we can do a little fast motion, measure everything, mix it together, put it in the oven. So we're going to mix all this together. I do have a class like in 15 minutes. So we're going to mix all of this together and put it in the oven. It's going to bake for about an hour. I like mine a little bit like chewy and less crispy. So I'm thinking maybe we do it at 50 minutes, but I'm going to be in my class, so he's going to actually be giving you guys a little update. And then once I'm done with my class, we'll do a nice taste test and outro. So should we put everything together?
Yep.
Okay. One more thing I'm going to mention before we continue is that with the mango powder, you can also use lemon juice instead if you don't have any mango powder. Okay, so we now have all of our ingredients, so we just store it over here in our bowl. And I can mix it for a little bit.
Go ahead, you mix it.
Okay. So we're just gonna mix all of this together, and ooh, it looks good. Oh, it smells good too. Doesn't it smell good?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna mix it?
Sure.
Yeah. And you wanna make sure you mix it really well to get all the ingredients incorporated.
Do we need any lemon juice in here?
No, because we put the mango powder instead of the lemon juice.
Oh, okay.
It's funny because I don't know. I'm just really good at guessing ingredients when I don't know them in different like foods. So what ends up happening here? I can just get that off. What ends up happening is like for this, she had me try the ingredients and I tried to guess it. And I guessed lemon juice instead of mango powder. And my mom just smiled. She's like, nope. And I'm like, what is it? I don't get it. It tastes like lemon juice. So you can, like I said earlier, you can use lemon juice instead of mango powder if you don't have that. So we're going to lay this out on our tray. And I can hold this.
Maybe we should fold the edges. So
okay. So we just kind of like folded the edges and just put it face down, so there we have some folded edges on the other side, so that way it doesn't burn off. I don't even know if you can hear my voice right now, it's so crinkly, but we're gonna just spread this out evenly and then pop it in the oven.
Fine, I can take you off my mind. Your desire.
So I just grabbed a spatula. He went off to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And I'm just getting all of the leftover stuff out of here because there's a lot that just gets sit in the pot when you could just put it on top. And so, like I've been trying to say, you want to bake this for an hour, and then once you're half an hour in, you're gonna want to turn the ingredients. So this is gonna be your job. You're
Probably
gonna climb from laughing.
in a half hour from now.
So at 1:30, you're gonna want to turn it just to make sure that everything gets nice and evenly baked. What's up with my tongue today? But I'm just gonna even this out a little bit more just because I put the leftover. So we're gonna put this in the toaster oven, and then he'll be with you at 12:30. So he's just gonna turn on the camera and then just show him turning it. So you're just gonna want to turn it nice.
Yep.
And then once I'm done with my class, we're gonna get a nice taste test. So let's get everything off the spoon here, and if I can, and we're gonna put it in the oven. Go. Ignore the somewhat messy kitchen. Oh, you gotta take the rack out. We forgot to take the rack out. Okay. Maybe just put the rack on. It's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna close that up, and you're gonna turn it in 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. So we now have these out of the oven, and they look super good. They look nice and crisp, but also nice and chewy. So let's grab a spoon. Sanitary first. We gotta be nice and clean, especially in these times of COVID. So, you wanna pour yours or something? Okay, should we try? 3, 2, 1.
Crunchy and chewy.
Really good flavor. Okay, so that's the end of today's video. If you're new to the channel or have not done so, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye-bye.
Drives me crazy.